Hi Bliss Beauties, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video here on this beautiful channel that I have been away from at least 3 months now, but I'll update you guys hopefully in another video. You should be seeing this video hopefully this Friday because I'm doing this Sunday, so it'll be ready for upload on Friday. Because if you're new here, I upload on Fridays, but I've been away for 3 months as I just said. But today's video is of course a hair video, and this time, you guys have seen me do my own hair on this channel many different times in different ways, but today will be a little bit different as I have my cousin here as my mannequin. Well, not really mannequin, but she's a client today. So it's back to school because it's September, and it's also gonna be her birthday this week, so she's getting a cute little updo or whatever. And I just want to say disclaimer: this hairstyle, in my opinion, is very age friendly for any age group, whether you're a child, yourself. It's very cute. So it's like the idea behind it is using rubber bands but making it into your own little style. So it's like cornrows with the neat parting and everything, but instead of literally twisting it up and making it into cornrows, you use rubber bands, and I think that's really cool. I've done this style in my hair probably over 10 times already, but today she decided that she wanted it and I delivered. So guys, as you can also see, I'm in a different space. We were on the veranda, honey, so we were using natural lighting, hence why it's not bright as you already would have been used to, but it's cool and I like it. And my plants look so pretty in the background. Anyway guys, I'm not here to talk too long, but do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh my god, it's been so long since I said that. But yeah guys, enjoy this video. It is literally a tutorial. I'm not really going to guide you through it. If you do want a more detailed video, then I'll be more than likely to do that for you, but it's gonna be just you sitting watching me do this hair, okay? And I literally have nothing else to say. At least I don't remember anything. So this is it for now, guys. Continue watching. Remember to subscribe, share it with a friend, share it with another friend, and tell the other friend to share it with her friend or his friend. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Bliss Beauties. I miss you guys.